Thinking about getting Total VPN but not sure if it's worth it? I get it. It's affordable, sure, but is it actually any good? These days, a lot of VPNs promise the moon and barely deliver anything. So before you commit, let's take a closer look. In this Total VPN review, we're breaking it all down. Features, speed, pricing, and whether it's a real security tool or just another overhyped gimmick. And hey, if you decide it's for you, check the link in the description and get up to 80% off, or scan the QR code on the screen. Total VPN is built to protect your privacy by hiding your IP address and encrypting your traffic so snoopers, advertisers, and hackers can't track you. It's a super relevant tool right now, especially with how apps are collecting more data than ever. They claim to give you strong security and solid performance on a budget, but do they walk the talk? From my hands-on experience, yes, it does. It uses AES 256 encryption, that's military grade folks. It supports protocols like OpenVPN, IKEv2, IPsec and WireGuard. So whether you're browsing, shopping or just watching cat videos, your data stays locked up. Worried about the VPN cutting off and exposing your real location? Don't be. The built-in kill switch cuts your internet the moment your VPN drops, keeping your info safe at all times. And if you're already using Total AV, good news, this works right alongside it. Together, they give you both cybersecurity and privacy all in one solid package. Okay, let's talk about speeds. I ran a few VPN speed tests, and for general use like browsing, shopping and streaming, Total VPN holds up well. But here's the catch. During peak hours, speeds can dip a bit. That's partly because their server network is on the smaller side, around 50 plus servers. Not bad, but if you're gaming or downloading huge files, you might feel it. Still, their so-called super fast servers, yeah, they earn the name. Day to day, they're fast and stable. This is where Total VPN really shines. It's one of the best budget VPNs, and with promos, it can cost as little as $1.59 a month in the first year. That's a crazy good deal for what you're getting. Just be aware, prices do go up after the first year, so make sure to read the fine print before locking it in. If you're looking for something simple, affordable, and beginner-friendly that gets you the privacy job done, this is a strong choice. It works on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Setup's quick, and you don't need to be good with tech to use it. But if you're a power user chasing advanced features like split tunneling or specialty servers, you might want to shop around. Still, for day-to-day privacy on a budget, Total VPN delivers it. So yeah, if you're after a solid, budget-friendly VPN that just works, Total VPN is totally worth a look. And don't forget that discount link in the description below to get up to 80% off, or scan the QR code on the screen. Later guys, see you in the next one.